So for those today, as we were working on creating our toys, I want you to think of some problems that you ran into and what you did to solve them. Debbie.
Well, remember when it was time to tidy up and then I tried to move and then it broke?
Yes.
Well, I had an idea. Maybe tomorrow we'll fix it.
And how could you fix it? Why do you think it broke?
Because I didn't finish all the things I need for her. Like I need to use different tools to fix it, to make it like to make it sound like tape and glue.
Why do you think tape and glue might help?
Because tape is sticky, glue is sticky. But when you put them together, it works.
Okay. So you've already got a design plan. Who else ran into some problems today and how did you fix them? What was your problem, Jordan?
My problem was that I didn't notice that you told me how to stand up and I put on 2 legs and then it didn't work
Okay.
and then I put on 2 more and I put on 2 more legs.
Yep.
And then it worked.
Now, why do you think that it worked with your 4 legs, but it didn't work with the 2 legs?
Because it didn't work with 2 legs because it needed 4 legs so it doesn't fall back or doesn't fall back.
Does anyone know why? And I'm just going to come over here to show you Jordan. So if you just turn, you can see Jordan's one over here. So, oh, and actually, this is almost dry. So, he had this without any legs, and I said for it to dry, it needed to have some legs. So he got these 2 sticks and put them in, but it kept toppling. So he had to add the 2.
I came to help him, and I told him you're going to need 4 legs. Because when I was trying to make a Pikachu standing up, it didn't work with its 2 legs, so I tried 4.
Now why do you think?
And it worked. So when it didn't work on 4 legs, I told Jordan to move them a little apart, and then it worked.
Why do you think that worked then, to have the 4 legs and have them so there was a little bit of area between them? Why do you think that you needed that?
I had a problem on my...
Oh, I want you to hold on to your problem because I want to hear yours too. I want to see if we can figure this one out. Why do you think that the 2 legs didn't work, but the 4 could have?
Well, it's like the weight. Because what if you only had 1 here and then it fell?
Why would it fall?
Because the weight. That's because his was heavy for the 2 legs. So when he uses 4 legs on each side, it works because of the weight. Because then the legs match the weight.
You know what? I'm thinking of something when Debbie said that. I'm making a connection to something we did a long time ago when we were making structures. And we had some textbooks sitting here on the table. And we use them that we sometimes eat with. And those things, the 3 of them, put in kind of like a little triangle, held up those books. Does anyone know what we had?
Egg cards?
It was the egg cards, but it wasn't just the egg cards.
Eggs. With books?
We put the eggs on it with the books. Do you remember when we put those eggs and we put the books on top?
It was like something funny.
Right.
But I wasn't good. I don't know.
Okay.
It's like this. When you pretend this was a book and this was egg. When we put just one egg, it kind of went like this. It just flat. It's like diagonally. One part of the book went up and one part of the book went down. But when you put 4, it matched the weight.
That's right.
And
So we needed it set. And yes, and not only that, we had the weight. And the other word that we learned yesterday that talks a little bit about weight, another way that works a little bit with weight is another word we learned yesterday called
Math.
right. you've got it about which ones were heavier and lighter. We talked about the mass. So I wonder who else had considered the mass as they were building theirs today.